Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your screen is flickering on your Samsung Galaxy A3. Now, the first thing you want to try when your screen is flickering is to go into settings, then display, and try changing your brightness settings. Now, of course, with this phone it's normal to see it flickering on a camera. The flickering you see on this video possibly is related to how brightness works on this phone, where the phone stays turned on, the screen stays turned on for an appropriate amount of time to cause the given brightness to appear like such, but on a camera it appears more so like flickering, as you can see. If your screen is flickering, you could try turning off auto brightness or turning it on and then back off again. Another thing you could try doing would be to try and download a screen dimmer app to possibly maybe try and help. Simply go into Play Store, search apps and games, and search up for a screen dimmer. Here, pick the app of your choosing and install it. Then simply wait for it to install, open it. You might have to give it permission to appear on top of other apps, and then turning the app on and off. It's going to cause the screen to get darker, get it brighter, and that's it regarding those apps. Alternatively, you could try going into settings, scrolling down to software update, and checking if maybe you have software updates pending. It could also be an issue, of course, of not being up to date with your system. Another thing you could try would be to try and reset your phone by pressing and holding the power button and tapping on restart and then tapping on it again. This will restart your phone and hopefully it will fix your issues. Now, of course, after your phone resets and screen flickering persists, you can try booting into safe mode. To do so, just simply turn off your phone and then power it back on, this time holding the volume down button. Just hold it down until the safe mode text appears in the bottom left corner. If the issue still persists inside safe mode, then you might want to consider taking your phone to a service station to get it looked at. The safe mode option is here, the safe mode text is right here, but just go into safe mode and hopefully it will fix itself. So yes, once in safe mode, if the issue still persists, it really might be a good idea to take your phone to a service station. Well, of course, you might want to exit safe mode. You can do so by simply restarting your phone again, this time not holding the volume down button. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.